Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Giving up for this father and daughter duo.
Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone for this good opportunity. Actually, I am from Hyderabad and my in-laws is from Andhra. When I was married, it was Andhra Pradesh. Now it is Telangana and Andhra. So coming to Hyderabad, I think everything is covered.